bridge spot.
Oh Lord. Uh-oh, bridge. What up, YouTube? This is the Young Chevy Truck YouTube channel where I plan on showing you how to build a 1984 Chevy C10 truck that just burns rubber, ain't meant to be fast, and only meant to be fun for you. And in this episode, me and the family are actually going for a ride in the famous straight pipe SCAT pack owned by AlbinoRhino392. Oh, and by the way, while I got that in mind, if you guys want to see me drive it, make sure you go over to his channel, AlbinoRhino392 on YouTube. I'll put it right down here. Also, I'll put the link to his channel in the description of this video. AlbinoRhino392 on YouTube. Make sure you go subscribe and hit that notification bell for me, because he's going to be posting the video of me driving it very soon, because I've gotten the notification. The video is edited and ready to go. He's just waiting to upload it. But first, you guys gotta go subscribe. So make sure you go over to him, hit the notification bell, so you're ready when it comes out. It's gonna be a dope video. I assure you of that. But like I said, in this video, we're just gonna be going for a ride along. It's gonna be my first couple of reactions to what that 392 sounds like with no exhaust on it. So let's go ahead and cut to that footage. I really hope you guys enjoy, and I will see you in the next one.
That man jumped over there.
He did. He thought it was guns going off. He thought it was weapons going off.
What do you think? It was a gun going off?
Thought it was a 12 gauge. This thing runs good. It sounds so good. I would be so immature if I owned this. And it hooks up.
I told you
It hooks up. It definitely hooks up.
Everybody looking.
What the hell was that?
Hold my hand.
I got all of it. I got all of it.
2-minute warning. I said, well, yeah, that's him. I was like, there you go. See if I can make it pop. Underglow too.
A
little old Charger over there.
Oh, for real?
Yeah.
Oh, we gotta get him. Come on, let's see if we can get him. Oh, barely.
Oh.
There we go.
Telling you, it's night and day, dude.
I bet you lost your mind.
I
when
did.
You went
I was
from
like,
the RT to
right
the
now.
392. Right off the lot.
I swear.
This guy wants some too. He wants some too. Look at him. He wants them too. You see that up there?
Yeah, I see it.
Like I said, I cannot have one of these. I should not have one of these.
So your truck gonna be there soon, bro.
Well, in a little bit. It'll probably be more like the more like your 5.7 in terms of power.
Who cares? It's still gonna be fun though, like you said.
Yeah.
It's funny, earlier before I was getting my oil change,
Yeah.
I was like, I'm going to meet up with Young Chevy truck. It was at that video? Yeah.
That's dope. That is dope.
Yo,
I love this car. I love it. But the drone ain't bad though. It's not bad at all. The truck, when I first, like this was before YouTube, I rebuilt the top end of the motor that came with it, right?
Yeah.
And so me and Kevin Dean literally had like flex line hanging off of header.
What?
We had flex line hanging off the header and mufflers stuck right there. And it was the loudest thing I have ever experienced. Right under your feet. Right underneath your feet. Like it would drone really bad, like 2,000 RPM. Stop at the stoplight and your brain is just like cooking.
Yes, I feel you.
Cooking. It was fun though. It was fun, I ain't gonna lie.
Oh, we getting on the highway?
Oh Lord.
Maybe not, maybe. Oh, we on there for a second. I better start merging.
Let me not even look at the speedo, cause I can't blur yet.
Nah, we gonna go to speed then. We gonna end up like Tall Guy, right?
Yeah, not trying to end up like Tall Guy. He got arrested. I couldn't own this.
Look. Yep.
Laughter's always funny.
Yeah.
Gotcha.
That's the people who get a kick out of it.
Yeah. That's me. That's me every time. You know, funny story, a dude pulled up in my hotel in one of these, and I started asking him about it. Of course, it was a long time ago before I really knew about him.
Yeah.
So I started asking him about it. And so then when he was about to pull off and leave, wife in the car and everything, I see him go hit a couple buttons and look at me like with, his eyes up at me like that.
He's like this. Yeah, you ready?
And so he gooses it right there on the front drive in front of everybody. Puts 2 black marks right there in front of the hotel. Goes down the street, hits it again.
Because he knew you'd appreciate it.
He knew what was up.
Yeah.
I appreciate that.
I appreciate it.
He gave me what I wanted.
Yep. I hate when people don't, like,
Yeah.
like, come on, bro, you know what you got. Just give me a little, just give me a little something. No.
No.
Like, come on, bro. Just do it.
That's no fun. Why'd you buy it? Should've bought a Camry then.
Made you look. I'm about to get a sticker on the side that says "Made you look."
Yep.
Should I turn it off?
Say gas, but I want to just hear the idle just a little bit. Just a little bit.
There we go. Yeah, come on. Go ahead. Don't look or nothing.
Go on now, honey.
You got it. Don't hurt yourself.
Get a cricket in your neck.
Oh God. You heard that?
You heard him trying to little pew pew?
Little, yeah, pew pew.
So we're gonna get him some gas.
Yeah. What?
You pull in those
We gonna get you some
Oh
gas.
my gosh, no.
We're gonna get you some gas.
Y'all are good. For real, man.
We're gonna get you some gas, right?
Oh my
You
gosh.
can't walk out of this without getting gas.
My wife's gonna be like, you better drink the damn deal.
Yeah, exactly.
She's the one, bro.
V6. What
Someone behind me when I'm playing. See him?
Yeah.
Oh, he coming on this side.
Yeah, he's in Tesla. He got that one.
Oh yeah, for real, bro.
From a standstill, he's got
no
that
doubt,
one.
bro. No doubt. You can take it, bro. Them things are nasty.
Yeah.
Yeah, for real.
Yeah, they are.
Like you put out stuff like that, bro. And I'm just like, geez, like,
Yeah, but
I
you
need to
know-
tighten up. Like,
You'd be surprised the sleep he giving up.
Yeah.
The videos
Yeah.
out.
Yeah.
that's dedication, though, bro. That's dope,
Thank you.
for real.
I'd love
like-
to see tall guy again. He just got that kind of personality.
He's cool, man. That man
Yeah,
is
so
he's so dope. Like people talk about him how he's just like he don't know much about cars,
Yeah.
but he know more than what people think, you
Yeah.
know. And he's just a legit, just real person. He's a real
Yeah.
dude,
Yeah.
for real.
Family and all that, you know.
Right, right, for sure. Like when I first met him, I was like,
You take him with him everywhere he go.
for real.
And the dog.
Yeah, the dog, the wife, the Ethan.
Yeah.
Like it was so cool. It's like meeting a freaking like TV show. Like,
Yeah,
you know what I'm saying? In a way,
yeah.
it's like like you only see them on YouTube, of course,
Yeah.
but it's just different meeting
Yeah.
people in person.
And it's so cool to watch him like interact with his people.
Yeah, bro.
Cause like he'll literally sit there and he'll like turn his head and just watch you
Talk
talk.
to you, bro.
He'll just watch you talk about what you do.
That's when you know he's listening.
Yeah.
Bridge spot.
Oh Lord. Uh-oh, bridge. So Kevin Dean, when are we getting one?
That one hurt my ear.
When are we getting one?
Well, if the dealership's open tomorrow, we can pick it up tomorrow.
All right, say no more. I got it on video too. Y'all heard it first.
That ought to be good for 10 more subscribers.
Scat pack. Buying a scat pack tomorrow.
What? You might lose 500 Chevy subscribers.
Yeah. But I mean, they know. Like my viewers know I'm an all-around car guy. I like pretty much everything. Like everything has its own little thing about it that makes it good.
Yeah.
That's
No doubt.
good, yeah. And
Like-
you know, as long as you don't get up there and just badmouth somebody.
Yeah.
Because, you know, not your brand.
Yeah. Like Honda Civic Type R, I think that's cool. The fact that it's like a full like race, it's a race Civic. That's
it's
cool.
like pushing what 400 horsepower. The new
I think
one?
it's like 350 or something like
$350?
that.
Honda.
Yes,
Yeah,
that's what's
fast.
crazy. Like I was like, my boy was telling me, I think he
Yeah.
boosted it up a little bit.
Uh-huh.
I don't know, but he was telling me, I was like, what? That
Yeah.
much? I said, yeah, bro. Because he used to have one, but the newer ones, they're pretty dope.
Yeah, they quick. They pretty quick now. What's another one? It's not really my brand, but I do like BMW M2. People probably will hate me for saying that.
Okay.
I like the BMW M2 because it's like a little hoon machine that you can slide around. And like, you know, I like it for that. It's too expensive. It's like the price of a Hellcat for a car that has half the power,
Gosh.
but I do like the M2. And like a lot of BMWs.
I just like to be loud and obnoxious and just
Yeah.
sound like
M2 don't sound nothing like this. That's why I'm a muscle guy all day.
No matter what kind of exhaust.
No matter what kind of exhaust you put on it. Or lack of.
Or like
or 18 miles per gallon right now. Gosh.
That's alright.
It ain't, terrible, I guess.
Cause like you almost have a 7-liter motor and I guarantee you get better gas mileage than my truck.
Not true.
And I have a 5.8 technically. And you have a 6.4 and it's
they
getting
have
better
to
gas
factor
mileage.
in efficiency as much as they could into
Mhm.
this car.
Yeah.
As much as they could. But the truck is just raw. Ain't nothing
Yeah.
efficient
Right.
about it at all.
Yeah.
Full built,
Yeah.
ready to blow some smoke.
Uh-huh. It's coming. It's coming. I gotta put a limited slip diff in the back.
his little one wheel peel now.
Oh.
I know you've seen that before. Yeah, people
Yeah.
like peg leg.
A lot of my RT like just 5'7" buddies. Yeah.
Little peg leg now.
That one. I shoot. Even I used to do it.
Yeah.
I'd be like, hey, go on this side. 'Cause
Yeah.
this side is good. Go on this side. And then unless you catch it just right, and then sometimes I put in sport with traction, control off completely.
Yeah.
And then both caught, and then they both were spinning. I was like, okay,
Yeah.
dope.
But that's
I don't
rare
know.
though.
Huh?
That's rare. You said you
Yeah,
gotta
in my
catch
old
it-
one, yeah.
catch
This
it
one,
just
it's
right.
this one, it's easy day.
Yeah. Yeah, in the truck, if it's raining and I hit the gas and I
Yeah.
step on the brake at the same time, then it'll spin both.
Yeah.
It'll like resist the other one and send the power over to the opposite
that's how it
wheel.
works.
Yeah.
Okay. That's pretty.
It'll feel like the resistance and be like, oh wait, that wheel needs to spin too. So then I can do a semi two-wheel saucy burnout. But then other than that,
Saucy burnout.
saucy burnout. But other than that, nah, not on dry ground. Not at all. But coming soon.
Yep.
Coming soon in 2019. This was a successful day.
Yeah, man.
Successful collab.
A really cool guy.
I think I left the camera on manual focus, so some of it might be a little blurry.
That's okay.
But you guys get the gist.
Get the good stuff out.
Yeah, they get the gist, even though it's a little out of focus. Yep.
All right.
All right, you too, man. Wow, that's what that sounded like.
Yeah.
Boy, he's a madman.
He gonna drive that thing hard all the way home too. Count on it.
Oh goodness, I can't wait to look at this footage. Oh my goodness.
Hope you got your key. You got your key?
Yeah.
Okay. Cause I don't know. Might have left mine with mom or something.
Yeah. All right, y'all. Successful day, successful collab. Of course, I'm gonna chop these videos up into, a couple different videos. But as always, guys, make sure you leave a like on this video if you enjoyed. Stay tuned for the next one. It's my first collab, and I feel good about it. It was with a homie I already knew, and we're going to the top. Hundreds of thousands of subscribers. So make sure y'all stay tuned for the next video, because then I'm gonna be actually probably getting the truck tuned by the time you guys see this. So hope you guys enjoy. I'll see you in the next one. Kevin, you got anything for him?
It was fun. It was a thrill. AlbinoRhino392. You're a really cool guy.
He sure is.
Enjoyed hanging out with you. Looking forward to next time.
Yeah.
Our home is your home. Stay in touch.
Yeah.
Hope to see you soon.
All right. Y'all have a good one. I'll see you in the next one.